In this episode of Teslacam Stories.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
This video was sent in by IDONTGIVEAFRUNK. Great username, by the way, and just wait for it. This Model 3 actually belongs to famous YouTuber Duncan, who put this bullhorn on the frunk of his Tesla. The frunk is the front luggage compartment of the Tesla, a portmanteau of the words front trunk. I Don't Give a Frunk apparently gets into a lot of action where he lives in Los Angeles. This next clip was also sent in by him. Fortunately, the load barely grazed the front bumper. If it had dropped 1 second later, it would have made full contact. This video is from JT Rope in Colorado, who was driving his Tesla at about 35 miles per hour down Lookout Mountain when this happened. JT Rope drove the cyclist to the hospital. He likely had a broken collarbone, broken finger, and possibly a concussion. The cyclist took his eyes off the road for a second while turning around to check behind him, and this caused the accident. JT Rope sends along a message with this video that's loud and clear. Wear a helmet when cycling, folks. This next clip from Lady Ultimate shows her Tesla getting broken into while parked in the town of Pacifica, California. The car was unlocked, which was strange, as she has the setting enabled to automatically lock the doors whenever she walks away from the car. Let's just listen to her own commentary of what happened.
I love a guy who thinks he's smart to break into a Tesla with like 8 million cameras and sensors on it. Here we go, he's about to do it. Acting all cool, making sure no one's watching him, but secretly, my car is watching him. Yep, here you go. Getting bolder, getting bolder. And here we go. There we go. Broken into our car. Anyone in Pacifica, looking out for this guy who's an idiot. Dumb, what do they call it? Dumb robbers or whatever.
The thief stole her credit card that was hidden away in the center console and used it within minutes to withdraw $2,000 from an ATM. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry Mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. In this video from Captain America, we see a man trying really hard to make a scene and slowing others down on a freeway entrance ramp in the process. Captain America says, "On the way to the freeway there was a lot of traffic, and at one point I braked pretty hard, which I guess caused him to brake hard as well, but no accident occurred. However, he did honk at me and then drove up next to me at a light to scream at me. When the light turned green, here's what happened." This video from West Johnston in South Carolina shows a fire truck responding to an emergency, slowing down to maneuver to the other side of the freeway. The car behind him was not prepared for this and had to go off-road to avoid rear-ending the fire truck. This video was sent in from Hao Lin in Shanghai, who drives a Shanghai-produced Model 3. This took place during a thunderstorm in July of 2020. Hao says that thunderstorms are common in Shanghai during the summer, especially when there's a typhoon, but the dancing drain covers are a new addition. This video from Jack Hodges shows a rental truck passing a tractor on a blind hill. Jack had to slam on his brakes to avoid a head-on collision. Hey Elon, does the new software update for the Model 3 add headlight lasers? This video from Betty shows the same thing happening. You can't even have fun in a parking lot without Sentry Mode shooting lasers at you. In this video from the same submitter, he says, it was like he was a tourist in England and not in Massachusetts for a moment. This woman stole Influbit's charger while his Tesla was charging. Influbit encountered the same black Hyundai Kona charging in the garage a couple of days later. He printed out 3 pictures of her stealing the charger and put them under her windshield wiper. They included the caption, "If you really need it, please leave us a note next time." Nicholas was driving his Model Y in Des Moines, Iowa with Autopilot engaged when this happened. Autopilot didn't like the gray Kia getting into his lane for the turning car on the left. Nicholas adds that he loves his Model Y, and so do we. This is actually the first Model Y video to appear on our channel, so please send us more. Andrew was driving his Model 3 down Highway 280 in Birmingham, Alabama when he witnessed this. Just an ordinary couple taking a casual walk down one of the busiest highways in Alabama. Our last video was sent in by Donald Terry in Indianapolis, Indiana. I just love the smell of burnt rubber in the morning. If you liked this video, please share, like, and subscribe.